Hey, my name is Taylor. I do music and audio for a living, and today I wanted to show you how to record a high-quality voiceover with just a phone. So first, you want to go to the settings on your phone, and then navigate to voice memos. Then you want to change the quality, which will be this middle one right here, compressed and lossless. So you can see I have lossless, which is just a fancy way of saying it's uncompressed and therefore high quality. So once you choose lossless, hit the back arrow, and then we can open the Voice Memos app. Click the record button. Now that it's recording and we know how to do that, I want to show you the best positions to hold the phone so you have the highest quality. Phones are always designed so that they sound the best right here. Here's the recording so you can hear it, and I'll play it back in the mix. The other way is to hold it like a FaceTime call. So a little bit like this, and just talk into the phone right here. Be careful not to rub the bottom of the phone, otherwise you'll get noise like that, which we don't want. Sometimes it helps to hold it up higher as long as you're not hitting the buttons, and it works pretty well. Next, you hit stop, and it saves it right at the top, new recording. If you hit this little settings page, there are some options which you want to ignore because we don't want to add extra processing if we're going to use this as high quality video. But they can be helpful if you're just making your own content, and the highest quality isn't the biggest deal. So now that it's recorded, we can just hit this top button right here, and it gives us the share options. The way you share your voice memo will affect the quality. If you send it as a normal text message, especially if you're not on an iPhone, there can be some quality loss. So you want to save it directly to your phone so it's as high quality as possible. And then I like to use one of Apple's internal messaging systems like iMessage, or I can AirDrop it to my computer and then email it that way. So that's how you get the best quality recording out of your phone, and you can send it and use it however you want in your video editor, your audio editor, or send it off to a team who needs your beautiful voice in their next video. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, please let me know in the comments below so I can answer them in a future video. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and I look forward to talking again soon. Bye.